Oh my god. Ooh.
Today, guys, we're going to be ripping the world's strongest Maxx. We're going to be putting on some new upgrades, and we're going to be taking it to multiple bash spots. Hope you enjoy.
Well, guys, it's been a while since you've seen my Maxx on the channel. It has been sitting in limbo for about 6 months or so. But today we have an interesting upgrade with the new M2C motor mount addition that goes on here. Yes, I did bash this a little bit at my bash event, and I had to put these tires on here because last episode we blew out a spur and blew out my belted tires. So we went ahead and put these 6S tires on here. They ran great. But today we are checking out something brand new with the motor mount in this thing that has to do with all the fancy people getting the Maxx Ultimates. So today we bought the Maxx Ultimate type of gear cover that goes on here, and we're gonna see how this new addition to M2C's motor mount to change over the old plastic gear works exactly. So essentially it's just out with the old and in with the new metal gear cover here. So we got this fancy new gear cover that comes on the Maxx Ultimates that we're gonna be putting on. So let's first take these bolts out. Now that those are off, we gotta take out these metal blocks so we can get this piece out. And just like that, the whole block just gets removed, and then we should essentially just be able to set down our new block on here and make it fit just right on this chassis. So now this is where their new Maxx Ultimate upgrade comes in. These new pillars, I guess, are just a little bit different than the old ones, and they should be able to specifically fit for these Maxx Ultimate type of cars. So let's go ahead and get these checked out. With these new pillars here, they just simply go down in your little holes. Have them facing each other, whatever you want to do. To specifically set in here, the little spacer on top, and slide this over. But first, I'm going to get these tightened down. We have them all tightened down. Now we just got to put our block back on that connects the motor to this actual piece. And now we have our metal gear cover on here, so I can look like a Maxx Ultimate. Fits just perfectly from M2C, guys. Alrighty, guys, I got a brand new pair of these Jconcepts 4S magmas. And you've seen the controversy that Lou started online about how these things won't hold up on 6S. Well, I don't really know what I'm going to run them on now because I did buy them because I wanted to put them on 6S cars. But I've also heard if you glue them first, you have no problem. So let's glue them. Let's take them out the package and instantly glue them. Then, why don't we run them on 6S and see if that alleviates the problem of them blowing up. Let's try it. Man, these tires look so beautiful right out of the box. Cannot wait to try them on their magmas. And Jconcepts in general just really play their part in looks, as somebody commented recently. But that's it, no. But I'm just going to take some glue and I'm going to go around this bead right here. So, I mean, literally, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some more glue all around this bead. And essentially, I'm going to do that on all four. So I don't want to bore you, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, guys, we got the world's strongest Maxx out here again. Haven't ran it in a while. Let's jump it off some jumps and see how it does. We got the magmas on there too, boys. We'll see how they perform today, or if these diffs hold up. Gotta have a hard time to judge with these magmas right now. Magmas are hard on that brake. Here comes a rustler. Yeah. Landed it though. There we go. Yeah, these magmas let this thing flip very well. Nice. I don't know how many that is, but oh my God. There we go. Yeah. Uh-oh. Something happened up there. Something happened. Look like on the inside. Oh, it broke an M2C drive shaft right off right inside. Already? Go ahead and send his rear wheel. Oh, it's pulling hard. It's pulling so hard. Really? Ah. So there's the M2C drive shaft that was locking this Maxx up. Let's go back out and run the world's strongest Max. That's crazy. All right, guys, so the Max gears ended up being toasted. I already threw the pinion away. It's really bad. So what we did, we went ahead and bought some cheap mod 1.5 gears on Amazon here and mod 1.5 pinion here. So hopefully it's gonna make this Max run pretty good. We're gonna see if they line up first with the monster M2C motor mount. Look how great those mod 1.5 gears are sitting in there, guys. Looks pretty good on a Max. Let's go see how they run. All right, boys, mod 1.5 gears on the Max and with these 4S Jconcepts that I did re-glue myself, but we're running on 6S, of course, in the Max. Let's see, last time you saw this, we immediately stripped the mod 1 gears, so mod 1.5 in the Max isn't impossible, guys. Let's go try this out. This may or may not be the last time you see the Max with the Traxxas system in it. I'm trying to get rid of all of them, and I'm gonna go to either Hobby Wing or Castle or XCESC after this. Just been time for a switch up, you know? So let's see how this does perform on my last Traxxas system that I have. I mean, it's so smooth on these mod 1.5 gears. Oh my gosh. Look at that low backflip, boys. Oh my God, this is so smooth. So smooth. So smooth. I thought that was my truck. It was a Dodge. That was a front landing. Sorry for the Dodge alarm. Look at that reef servo go to work. Raw 500. It's almost as quiet as it was on the plastic. These tires are great. You gotta just ride wheelies forever. So smooth, man. Maybe I don't give up the Traxxas system. I forgot how smooth this is. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I saved it. All right, we're gonna go on to the next spot. All right, fresh dirt here for the canyon. I don't think it's a step up anymore, so we're gonna tread lightly. I say that as I'm going pretty fast. Oh my God, I was riding on 2 wheels. I don't think it's a jump anymore. M2C pistons and shocks, man, they got it working right. Landed a double off that, baby. Oh my God. That's the Max specialty, boys. Just give it a little bit of gas. Well, that was a roof landing from hell. Oh my God. Oh my God, no. I don't feel like blowing the tires. Trying to self-right, so we'll walk down the hill here. And we'll head on to the other spot. No, not the nose landing. Stop throwing sand on me, Jconcepts. Bad boy. Mod 1.5, man. This is awesome in here. I mean, it literally is so smooth and so quiet. Just like the plastic one. I used the plastic one on this one for literally like, I think I had it for a full year. I just handed the controller to everybody and they still use it and had no problem. But 6S with the M2C motor mount has been great. She just took a bad fall. All right, I'm gonna see if I can't get a little back and forth action from over here and over there. I might need to, I don't know. I'll have to trust myself, but. If I can go back and forth, it's gonna be pretty fun. I just don't want to hit myself. That tall grass is a little too much for this truck. Something kind of sounds like it's going out, I don't know. You heard that, right? I think it's just sand in the CVDs. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh. Now it sounds worse.
How many flips was that, dude?
So close. So close. Backflip mountain, boys. I think it's just, literally, I think it's just sand and CVDs. Freaking myself out over nothing. Oh, I think a bolt came out. I heard it. Oh no, the A-arm bolt. I was trying to ride on two wheels like a goon, and the A-arm bolt came out. No! If I can find it, I'll keep playing. It came out right over here somewhere. I heard it lose it somewhere. Oh my God. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna look for this for a second. I spy with my little eye a black bolt there, buddy. Then I'll just have to put it back in and make it playing. Let me see if I can just slide this back in here real quick. You go back in, Axel. Go back in. No. No. No, no. Now you go in. Field repair. Look at it. I'm gonna hand tighten it. Hand tighten it in there. That ain't coming out. I don't have the tool on me. Let's keep ripping. Can it take another hand tighten bolt? Oh yeah. Who needs a tool when you just hand tighten on a Max? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what I hit, but I did not hit good. I did not hit it good. I heard something sound like it got messed up. Oh man, I gotta get in the weeds. I gotta get in the weeds here. Come on. Oh, oh we're good. I forgot it's a Max, guys. Did you forget it's a Max? Kill your diffs like that. What a front landing. Uh-oh, did it come out? I thought I heard something. These tires are phenomenal. Let's get a flat out send here. Yeah, buddy. Can we go for a front flip? I mean, it would help if I hit the jump. It would kind of help if I hit the jump. Still running with the hand tighten bolt. All right, let's try the front flip now. Landed it first try. Oh, but we just did something. What just happened? Did we break or did it pop out? Oh, it just popped out. No, my hand tight bolt came out on the fronty flippy. Considering it landed right here, did it come out in the air or did it come out on the ground? Oh no! Oh no! What an amazing truck this is, man. Maybe I can't get rid of the Traxxas system. It's so smooth. So smooth. But I can say it's probably due to the S10 controller as well. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna look for this bolt. Nah, that bolt's gone, big dog. I don't know what to tell you. You might have to give me another bolt so we can rip this truck. We still got front wheel. I think it's CVDs all the way around, so we're good. God dang, man, I'm a little messed up. All right, boys, I think it's actually better than before. I don't know if you could tell in there. Look, you see it popping out over there? So I actually drilled it through that way instead of the collared part sitting right here into this A-arm because it's so worn out. These are just stock A-arms, guys. All stock A-arms, never broke one. So this one's just wore out, so I put it through there. It's probably actually gonna be better than it was. But another testament to this mod 1.5 is, look, I'm not on heat or nothing, guys, and I've been ripping this whole time. Very odd for a truck to last a full battery with me, but low backflip, baby. But this stuff right here, I love the Maxx, man. I always coined it the best Traxxas you could buy. And then the Jconcepts just make it grip so well out here. Mod 1.5 seems to be the way to go. No, it's so hard not to just stay wheeling the whole time. I can't tell if that's my cheap 1.5s going or what. Still has the same amount of power. Oh my God. The roundabout, the roundabout. No! What are we doing? What are we doing? So rowdy. Love this truck. Woohoo! Ow. All right, last canyon shot. I don't know how the batteries haven't died yet. I really don't. What the heck was that? Did you see that? Did the pin come out in this one? It did. The pin came out and immediately the drive shaft said, you know what? You know what, buddy? You know what I'm gonna come out to, but there's the pin. Still didn't break the A-arm, it literally just backed out enough to come off. We're gonna have to hand tighten this one too, boys? I guess so. I'll be right back. This truck just won't die, it's out. This truck won't die, man. The A-arms, they're just worn out. They're just flat worn out. We just put it back in there by hand. I was hoping the batteries would die by now, honestly. It's not that I'm getting bored with it, it's just, come on, man. What else am I have to do to the world's strongest Maxx? As I've coined it before, but definitely how the video started out, it's not. If that front end holds on, oh my God, I literally tightened it in by hand. I mean, it's on there. I figured these Traxxas batteries would die. Oh my God. That landed right on the side, but I think we're good. Yeah, baby. Oh my God. How does it take all these weird landing angles? I've pretty much done it all with this truck, but it still impresses me every time. It died right there. Whee! It died right there. No! No! So boys, we did make it a full battery on here, or full 2 batteries I should say, since it's 6S, but no, we made it a full battery pack on here. All we had was just bolts coming out, guys. I've told you, world's strongest Maxx. I've told you again and again, Jconcepts just make it that much better. It backflips so easy. They weren't ballooning too much. Man, what hobby wing or castle or XC system do you want to see in this truck? Let me know down below, and I appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what your favorite part of the video it is.
And if you're interested in any of the shirts that you see, such as the Maximum Fun shirt, they'll be available on lifeofballen.com. Go check them out.
Have a good day.